strategy that you can use to tell your participants to encourage them to go vertically and also use their adductors more is for them to bring their foot back to where the other one was. So you're basically replacing the footprint that you've got on the bottom of the pool. Now, it's not actually physically possible. If you check out what the underwater footage looks like, I'm not actually getting my foot back in, but in the effort of trying, I'm actually getting my foot pretty close to the center. I'll show you the difference. So this is me trying to put my foot into the same spot where the previous foot was. In fact, that's the key technical point that you need to share for them to get effective abdominal work and adductor work. Now, what happens if I don't communicate that message and I don't say that cue? Now, from the top, it looks like I'm creating good turbulence, it looks like I'm moving correctly, but with my feet that far apart on the bottom, I'm not feeling my adductors working at all. And I don't have to work that hard with my arms, because my arms help pull my leg in, if that makes sense. So with speed of that pendulum movement can't be too fast for me to be able to perform that activity. There's constant shifting of the water and constant turbulence.